hung the hoods, went up, drilled all the main anchors in, had the ductwork attached to it when we first went up, welded the two ductworks together as the hoods went up, put out both hoods up as one, ran the makeup air right through the wall, came down into the unit, mounted the PSP onto the ductwork, and came out here and pretty much went out to the 290s, cut through the cinder block wall, and went right up through the stairwell shaft.
We're at Tasty Burger in Harvard Square, and we got an inline makeup air unit that's heated. And what it does is when the air reaches a certain temperature, it heats the air and brings tempered air over to the kitchen. So right now what we have to do is vent it out to the side, to the street over here, to JFK Street. Once that's done, we're going to stainless steel this whole room, and this whole unit right here will be boxed in and will disappear. It'll be a nice clean finish. What makes this unit nice is that it has what's called a perforated supply plenum on the front of it. And what it does is it brings that heated makeup air in, acts as an air curtain, keeps the smells in, keeps the heat in, and it doesn't steal the air conditioning from the rest of the restaurant. What's nice about this particular unit is it has the electrical system and the Ansel system built into the side cabinet. So this unit is ready to go. It has black iron up here. It has an access panel that's been covered. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's an access panel behind here for future cleanings. And this ductwork is running all the way to the roof. And we're going up about 6-7 stories. And what's kind of cool about this job is because it's going up in a stairwell, all the ductwork in the stairwell is triangle shaped. So they have enough width for people to get down the stairs. We'll show you that next. We got James and Rob here. They're putting the last touches on the ductwork as far as wrapping it. This ductwork is triangle shaped. It's 20 by 27 and 37 inches on the front. And what the guys have done is installed an access panel, so for future cleanings can come in here, open this up and clean all the grease out so it's not a fire hazard. And we've run this straight through the building, and then we've come back and wrapped the whole thing. And it's all welded, liquid tight. The reason this ductwork is triangle is because it was rectangular, square, whatever. It wouldn't give us enough room for passage for people coming down the stairs. So we had to keep it tight to the wall, made it triangle, and it gives us plenty of area, and it passes all the codes as far as people walking down the stairs. So this is all customized, and it came out really nice. We're at the roof, or right below the roof, and we're unable to run this ductwork straight up, this triangle ductwork, because we got our cross beams, we got our support beams in here, so we would crash out on this. What we need to do is offset this ductwork, come up 90 back this way, approximately about 10-12 feet, then go through the roof. Right now, our exhaust fan is on the roof waiting for the duct. So next time you see this, we'll be done. We'll be all installed and wrapped and ready to go.